This is Chris from the Driving Theory Workshop, where today we are talking about emergency stops. Now, when you're asked to do an emergency stop on test, it is a 1 in 3 probability that you'll be asked to do so. Now, this is not a manoeuvre and it's something extra that you'll be asked to do. The examiner will check around it is completely safe before he asks you to stop, and his signal will be stop. You must then stop as if somebody has ran out in front of the car. So until that point, drive as normal. When they have told you to stop, it is important to release the accelerator as quickly as possible and press progressive braking onto the brake pedal. Just before the car comes to a stop, push the clutch to the floor. At no point do we release the brake or the clutch, and we keep both hands on the wheel until we have stopped. When the car has stopped fully, apply the handbrake and put the car into neutral. Then wait for the examiner's next instruction, which will be to drive on, put the car back into first gear, check fully around, including your blind spots, to check it is completely safe before moving off steadily. You will only be asked to do that once. They will not ask you to do that more than once. If you found that information useful, then please give it a like. Subscribe to our YouTube channel by searching for the Driving Theory Workshop, or if you need more help and support passing your theory test, then join our online theory test tuition course at www.drivingtheoryworkshop.co.uk.